Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening, Kalpana. How are you?
I'm I'm pretty well, ma'am. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also very, very good. I think you have taken a session before, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay. So let us start with the session. Then do you
I have taken two sessions.
two sessions? Okay, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Then I remember only one. All right, chalo, कोई बात नहीं, मेरी गलती है. But anyway, so let us start with the session. Do you have any questions before we begin with the session?
No. Right
No?
now I don't have
Okay.
any question.
So what is the topic? Pets and companionship, I think, is the topic for the day. Have
Yes.
you seen the topic?
Yes.
All right. So today the topic was pets and companionship. So let me ask you a few questions, and then we will do the activity once again. So tell me, do you like having pets?
No, ma'am. I don't
No,
like having pets.
you don't like. You are afraid of pets. Okay. Now I will ask you a few questions related to the passage. First is, what was the name of the dog?
Teru.
What
The
did Shiru
name of
demand? Yeah, what did Shiru demand from the family?
Teru demand not much, uh, only food and instant conversations,
Yeah,
love from that family
right.
and fun activity, jump around at every place of house.
That is an answer for another question. What did Sheru love to do? Then you can say jumping around the house and things. Okay, now I am going to speak up some words and you have to tell me the meaning of those words and make a sentence on it. Okay? Loyal.
Loyal is faithful,
Okay.
and
Make a sentence.
and the dog is very loyal.
Dogs
And
are, either you say dog is a very loyal animal or you say dogs are very loyal animals. Unconditional.
unconditional. They pets have unconditional love.
Hmm. Lonely.
Lonely, when you make a friend, any kind of pet, you don't feel lonely.
When you friend a pet, instead of saying when you make a friend any kind of pet, you can say when you friend a pet or when you befriend a pet or when you adopt a pet,
When
right?
and having a pet, you don't feel lonely.
Lonely, right? Sparkles.
A boy saw sparkles in pet's eyes when when he was uh, when he was feeding him.
Hmm. Frequent.
Frequent. Dog has not demand frequent. They they want only love and caring.
Do not demand frequent things. That's how you can say. And they just demand love. Conversation.
Conversation. When you feel lonely and sad, you start conversation with pet. You feel there is no sadness around them.
Mm-hmm. Stress buster.
Test buster. We can say that pet uh, is a great example of great stress buster,
Protector.
protectors. Mm, Nowadays, there are nowadays we live in a family, and whenever we want to go somewhere, so we should have pet to protect our family, and
Hmm.
and they are the protector.
Hmm. Sympathy.
Sympathy. Pets have sympathy. We
Hmm.
should have sympathy to the pets
For pets.
for pets. Yeah, I can see the idioms.
Okay, okay. At a snail's pace. Snail, do you know which animal is snail?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So a snail always walks very slow, right?
Yes, yes.
So at a snail's pace means something which is very slow.
Slow, slow. So
Okay.
I can say my English practice is
Like a
at a snail
snail.
pace.
Yes, you can say that. You, it is
Yes.
very, very slow. You think like that? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Next one is
Next is eagle's eyes.
hmm,
Very sharp and
very sharp
eyesight.
eyesight. Yes. Can you make
Ah, yes. If I want to improve my English very quickly, so I need a teacher very sharp, eagle's eyes, big eagle's eyes.
no? I need a teacher who have an evil eagle's eye. Who have an eagle's eye. Okay. All right.
Next is watching like a hawk. Ma'am, hawk
So
is owl.
one second. Hawk is an owl. Yes. Observing very closely.
Okay. So whenever I make a mistake and uh, teacher like you watching like a hawk.
Hold your horses. Control your emotions.
Uh, Language is only English is only a language. So don't 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 be nervous and hold your horses.
Yes. And also, you can use it, for example, this is very helpful in front of a person who's very angry. So, in front of that person, you can use it, hold your horses. It's okay. Don't be very angry.
Yeah,
Last one, puppy love.
puppy love is cute love. And I love my child as a puppy love.
Mm, the love for my child is like a puppy love. That's how. Puppy love is a noun. It's not a verb. The love I have for my child is like a puppy love. It's a cute love. Now, how would you remember these phrases? Tell me. Today, the session is over. You will do these phrases and you will forget it by tomorrow. How will you remember it?
Um, and after the session, today is not possible, but tomorrow uh, I will see the recorded class and make a memory with the picture.
Hmm.
That
You can,
how
yes, that is one of the way. Even after the class or tomorrow, whenever you have time, write all these idioms in a notebook and you can
idiom
download these notes.
and relate with the images.
Yes, you can download also. You can download these notes, and tomorrow, if you will come up to me for the session, I will definitely revise it. I would
Okay.
first ask you the meaning of everything. I would say the meaning and I'll ask you to comprehend it. So, do remember that I'm going to ask
Yeah.
you. Okay? All right.